Hello everyone. Now in this session we will know about the next concept. That one is overloading function template. Then in before that we need to know about the function overloading basic concept. That one is simply the when we overload the function, that one is same means two function with the same name, like function name is A, have a logic, then function name with again A with again another logic. If we can say that this one is int and this one is int and int, right? Now the normally we can say that's a function overloading because of the function name is the same, but the content of a first function and the second function is different, we can say that. Now what is the difference between the function overloading and the templates? Both function overloading and template are explained are examples of a polymorphism features of OOP. Polymorphism means it may be a single entity with a multiple behavior. Function overloading is used when multiple functions do similar operations, right? When multiple functions do the similar operations. Templates are used when multiple functions do identical operations. When the particular template is useful, if we have the both function overloading, but the particular here it's a integer, here is again the float and float. Now if we pass the integer, then definitely this function is executed. If we pass the float value, this function is executed. Both have a same logic, then the solution to reduce this code is the template. If we create a template function, then there is no need to mention the second one. You can directly call the both integer value and the float value with the same code. That is the use of template. You may overload a function template either by a non-template function or the another function template. We will take an example of this and it will be the easy to understand. Now this one is simply the Control V save. It's simply the example of template. Now we will run this code. And it prints first when we under the main function the particular f function is called with the passing the integer value, then it runs the non-template function. Why? Because of we define the f means overloading of f function. Here we define the this function is a template function, but this function is non-template function, right? If we run this one, it will print when we passes the integer, it matches to the this function, not with the this. Why? Because of this one is accurate with the this function, right? That's why it's called the particular two value passes with the integer, right? Then f, which one is character values. If we check it that there is no any other function which one is matches with the both passing the character value. That's why this template function is called and it prints a template. Then again it passes with the one, that one is an integer and the b. Now what will be the process? That one is simply the f passes the value to 1, that one is an integer and b is a character. When it passes this three function, when we call this three function, this one is matches with this, then this one is not matches with this. That's why it's called to the template class, template function. Then again this one is, it matches again this because of its auto implicit conversion of this B, and it prints again the non-template. Okay, if we provide with a particular value with the same, like a character, then here is the integer, and when we passes character, definitely it matches with this because of no other function with matches the character, right? That's why first function f call runs this function, that's why it prints non-template. Now the second, this one is does not matches with this, that's why it's called for this. Now the third one is again matches with this, there is no need to call this one, it calls again this function because of implicit conversion, and it prints again a non-template. We will just do add the one point here, that one is like we define an int and we will check the output again. It's again prints a template because of when we define this int type, then definitely it go with the template function, right? If we mention here that is a char, it's automatically matches, that's why it's directly called. If we mention here as int again, it's again called by the template function, or it may be this function calls a template function, and all prints with the template. This one is simply the concept related to the overloading function templates. That one is simply the overloading concept of a template. Thank you.